To use preset setting of adaptation for those between 30 to 60 years old in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap sound and vibration, scroll down the screen and then tap sound quality and effect, tap adapt sound and then select 30 to 60 years old. You can choose this option if your age is between 30 or 60 years old and want to use the preset setting that match with your age. If needed, you can customize this setting. To do so, tap the setting icon. Here you can set your right ear or left ear for your preferred ear for calls. And select clear or soft for your sound preference. Assuming that you are wearing headphone, you can also see how this setting will sound by tapping preview and then tap personalize and original to hear the differences. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.